Hello everyone. Do you know what is nutrition? You will be astonished to know what you were used to listen about nutrition on social media will be mostly incorrect. While everyone wants to know the nutrition of foods, the flood of fake social media fact isn't helping. Can you imagine how sensitive the nutritional facts could be? And the wrong nutritional facts could really harm your health. Every day we view, listen, and read a lot about nutrition on YouTube, Facebook, blogs, newspapers, and WhatsApp. But the credibility of these resources is never known. So say no to the non-authentic facts about nutrition. If you are a responsible person, you must ensure whatever you are saying is authentic. And the good news is that the acquisition of the authentic information about the nutritional data of your favorite food isn't much difficult. Before we dig deeper, let me introduce first. I'm Dr. Ammar, Assistant Professor, Food Science and Technology, Islamia University, Bahawalpur. Today, I'm going to teach you how to acquire authentic nutritional data online. In this lecture, you will know why we need to know the nutrients present in a food, how much the macronutrients are needed for an adult, how can you acquire the most authentic nutritional data, and what are the actual nutritional components of fruits, vegetables, milk, egg, and meats. Macronutrients include water, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrate. In this lecture, I will not go into the details of various functions of macro and micronutrients. If you still want to know, then you can ask me. A balanced diet is what contains all these nutrients in an appropriate amount to fulfill our daily needs. For an adult, the nutritional requirements of protein are about 46 for women, but about 56 grams for men. Since there are many types of minerals and vitamins, it's not appropriate to write required quantity of each of them here. The daily requirement for carbohydrates vary from 225 to 335 grams. Moreover, the fats requirements for adults are about 44 to 47 grams. These calculations are provided for sedentary adults considering 2000 calories per day requirement. The daily calorie requirements also vary depending upon age group, weight, gender, and the nature of activities. The next question is how to prepare a balanced plan for diet. A balanced diet should contain the required amounts of all these nutrients according to the daily personal needs. For that, you need to know how much nutrients your food contains. There are three ways for that: USDA method, Google method, and research papers. Here, we shall not discuss researching nutrition data from the research papers because that demands more time. But it is recommended for you if you want variety-wise, species-wise, treatment-wise nutritional analysis. Here, we will discuss the pros and cons of only first two methods. First of all, I discuss the pros and cons of Google method. The pros include it's the quickest method. It's the simplest method. You can get the summary of most important nutrients of almost all the foods. The cons include this method does not give complete information, but since it gets information from USDA, you can always reach USDA link you are viewing on Google access these details. Secondly, this method does not return any nutritional information for several keywords, for example, apple, mango, etc. However, if you write double keywords such as apple fruit, mango fruit, etc., then the nutritional information can be found. Lastly, this method does not give any nutritional data for few foods. For example, maybe I can discuss it later. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons of USDA method. The pros of this method include it's the most authentic source of nutritional data of the most foods. Secondly, it's the ultimate source of nutritional facts, from where Google also links its nutritional data. And finally, it's the easiest way to find the most complete nutritional information of almost all fruits, vegetables, meats, eggs, and meat. The cons of this method include the web address for USDA nutritional database is difficult to remember. However, you can bookmark it in your browser if you frequently want to search for nutritional data. For some fruits, writing keyword can return you several outputs. Sometimes you get thousands of results. it might be very difficult for you to find your required information. Now we discuss the procedure for both the methods. Firstly, the Google method. Simply open Google. Write the fruit name, for example banana. As advised earlier, for some fruit you will have to write two keywords, for example apple fruit, mango fruit, etc. Here you need to select the option how you want to read the nutrition. For example, for fruits and vegetables you can use the term cup equivalents. For egg, nutrition of one egg is more appropriate, and for most of the food items you can select the nutritional value per 100 gram. You can also need to select part of meat for some meat products, for example leg, breast, etc. Now you will see the nutritional facts related to the calories, fats, cholesterol, carbohydrate, protein, minerals and vitamins. The amounts given in gram and milligram are the amounts of those nutrients per 100 gram of the selected food item. The column at the right end contains the different parameter which we are not discussing right now. It's an entirely different thing. It tells you that you eat 100 gram of selected fruit, how much percentage of daily requirement of these nutrients it will fulfill. I advise you to leave it for the time being. This gives you a summary which most of the people need. If you need further detail, then scroll down and click the link of USDA. It will take you to the database of USDA for the particular food. Now we discuss how we can acquire nutritional data using the USDA method. Open the USDA F link www.fdc.nal.usda.gov. In the search bar, type the name of the food item you are looking for. It will return several outputs. You can choose and open the information of your desired food item. Now I shall demonstrate you how you can search the data of both these methods. Open the Google, write banana. You see here the nutritional value of banana is provided. Select the amount per cup. I must add here that for fruits and vegetables the term cup equivalent is more relevant. I have explained that in another video related to fruits and vegetables, in which I explained how many cup equivalents you need to eat daily. The link for the video is provided in the description. Now search for mango apple. You will see no results for nutritional value in Google for both these fruits. Alternatively, you can search mango fruit and apple fruit. You will find the nutritional values for both these fruits. Again select cup. Let's try a vegetable, for example cabbage. Now search the information for chicken. You will find nutritional value. Try chicken meat. Select amount per 100 grams. Now type beef. The muscle for which you want to know the nutritional contents can also be selected. Again select amount per 100 gram. Now type mutton. Select the muscle for which you want to know the nutritional content. Again select per 100 grams. Now type egg. You can choose the nutritional value of boiled egg. This time you can select one egg because we usually eat one egg. Similarly, you can search information for milk. You can select the nutritional value of the milk with 3.7% fat. You can select cup. Now let's try the USDA method. Type its link in the browser. This search bar will appear. Write something, for example mango. About 3,260 results will appear. You can select your desired product type. For example, I will choose raw mango. Here are the detailed results for the nutrition. For example, mango. About 3,260 results will appear. You can select your desired product type. For example, I will choose raw mango. Here are the detailed results for the nutritional value of 100 gram raw mango. Try searching nutritional value of carrot in the Google. No results will be shown. Now try searching the nutritional value of carrot in the USDA database. It shows more than 13,000 results for carrot products. You can select nutritional value of 100 gram of raw carrot. Similarly, search the data of beef in the USDA database. It shows you more than 12,000 results for beef products. You can select nutritional value of 100 gram of beef curry. Okay, after this lecture, can you tell what is a balanced diet? How the nutritional needs vary from person to person? how to make a balanced plan for an adult.